Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your system clock if it is out of sync. First, confirm your system's current time and date are visibly incorrect. An inaccurate clock often disrupts secure website access and software functionality, leading to frustrating errors. This issue typically stems from simple software glitches or a depleted internal battery, which is easily fixable. We will explore straightforward solutions, helping you restore accurate timekeeping quickly and efficiently. To begin, open your computer's date and time settings, usually found in the control panel or system preferences. Locate the option labeled Set Time Automatically and ensure it is switched to the on position. Additionally, verify that Set Time Zone Automatically is also enabled for optimal performance. This setup allows your computer to synchronize its clock with a reliable internet time server, ensuring consistent accuracy without manual adjustments. If automatic sync doesn't immediately resolve the issue, you can force an update. In the date and time settings, find the Internet Time tab. Click on Change Settings, then simply click the Update Now button. This action prompts your computer to immediately fetch the correct time from the chosen server. If the problem persists, try selecting a different Internet Time server from the provided drop-down list and updating again. Sometimes a specific server may experience temporary issues. For persistent clock issues, consider a potential hardware cause: a failing CMOS battery. This small coin cell battery on your motherboard maintains the real-time clock when your computer is powered down. Another step involves checking the Windows Time service. Ensure it is running and set to start automatically. You can access and manage services through your system's administrative tools, ensuring this crucial background function is operating correctly to keep your time precise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.